These are the different types of electromagnetic wavelengths. The first one is called radio wavelengths. It's used for broadcasting things such as news, music, and information. It's also used to broadcast things on your TV. Here you can see how long and wide the wavelengths are. The second wavelength is the microwave length. It's used for things such as microwaves, Wi-Fi, and cell phones. Here you can see that the wavelength is slightly shorter than the one before, but it's still pretty long. The third wavelength is the infrared wavelength. It's used for things such as TV remotes. You can see that it's starting to get shorter and look more like the wavelengths of visible light. Which brings us to the next one, visible light. Visible light includes all the types of lights you can see. To symbolize this, I put a rainbow since that includes all the colors that we can see. Here you can see that visible light is starting to look more like a steady, continuous wave rather than just one slope-looking thing. It's a lot shorter than radio wavelengths, microwave lengths, and infrared wavelengths. Now it's time to go to UV lights, or ultraviolet light. This is a light that makes sunburns. There's also on some flashlights a flashlight mode designed to look kind of like UV lights. So that's why I took a flashlight. You can see that UV lights are, the wavelengths of UV lights are starting to get really small. X-rays, or X-radiation. X-radiation is used for things such as X-rays, which is, in fact, one of the only uses of X-radiation. You can see that the wavelengths are getting really small, so they are starting to become more harmful. So don't use X-radiation unless it is medically assigned or used by professionals. Finally, we have gamma radiation. Gamma radiation is sometimes used to cure cancer, but is also created for extremely deadly things such as nuclear bombs and nuclear waste. You can see that the wavelength of gamma radiation is so small. It's very tiny. There's tons of them compared to the initial radio wavelengths. Thank you.